Now this freeway on our right and the bypass bridge, like I mentioned, they completed it in 2010. The name of the bypass bridge is called the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman. Point out this pulley system on our left real quick. If you can see the cables going across the Black Canyon here, I just point that out to you because I'm going to talk more about that in just a minute. But for right now, what we're looking, all right, this bridge is 890 feet up off the Colorado River. It spans 1,600 feet across. Took a little over through the Grand Canyon, into Lake Mead, through the Hoover Dam, and eventually makes its way out to the Gulf of California. All right, those cables took the high scalers to the other side. The high scalers were the highest paid workers back here because they had the most dangerous job. What they were doing was drilling holes into the rock face, inserting dynamite, and come back to the same spot, and they would keep punishing this area to make this wide of an opening. Now I said those high scalers were the highest paid. On the right hand side of the bus, if you look at these power poles on both this side and across the way, they look like they're about to tip over. They're actually built that way because the winds get up to 80 miles an hour back here. Remember, there's iron in the mountains, there's water down below, and there's electricity in the... for right now, what we're looking at here on the left, there are 4 intake towers back here. 2 intake towers right here on the Nevada side, and 2 intake towers up there in front of us on the Arizona side. How it works: water gets sucked into the intake towers. That water turns the turbines, the 17 turbines, creating hydroscaling the face of the dam. They're absolutely crazy. And it stains the rock face that white color. Now, if you have YouTube on your phone, you could YouTube Hoover Dam 1983. That's the last 83, when that year we just had lots of snowmelt runoff and lots of rain. So they built 2. Now I don't know what it is. I just want to skateboard level here. Pull over. We're gonna get out, stretch our legs, take a couple of pictures. Just kidding. Nobody gets left behind, but we just have to get out to the Grand Canyon before those queues, before those lines get too enormous. After this stop, we're going to be making a quick restroom stop. Anything else like coffee, that's